Hello and welcome back to Rob's PC Workshop. Today we're going to be exploring internet working devices. So we've got several devices here, a couple routers, and an access point, and two PCs. So, the result of our site survey indicates the customer needs to upgrade the network to include this new 1841 router, ISR. Prior to purchasing the 1841, it's necessary to determine which interfaces and cables are needed to connect the ISR to the existing router. So we're going to determine the required connectivity options. First thing we're going to do is we're going to open up this router. We're going to go to the physical view of the back of the router. We see we have two Ethernet adapters and a serial port here. Maybe that's not a serial port. So I'm going to go ahead and put a serial port in the router. First thing we want to do is shut that off. And then put our two serial ports in the router. And we might as well make sure we've got plenty of Ethernet ports in it. So I'll put those in, turn our router back on. So now we look at this router and we can see it's got fiber optics and serial ports on the back of it. So looks like we can connect, and this access point has one Ethernet adapter. So click access point 0. Determine which type of interface is appropriate to connect. So we're going to configure the new ISR router 1 with the required options. We've connected the appropriate interface models. The multi-switch module, multi-Ethernet switches, we went ahead and put that in. We're going to turn on all our serial ports. There's another way to do this, but apparently we can do it by clicking on it. If we do a no shut command, it will power these on through the router. But this is, we can see these serial ones are on, turn our fast Ethernet ones on. Ports are on. Okay. So we're going to connect router 0 to router 1 over a wide area network using the appropriate cable, and we decided a serial cable would be the correct one for that. So we're going to use clock rate serial 20 to serial 000. We're going to connect the access point to 1841 ISR, and we saw that we need crossover for that. So faster Ethernet 010 to port 0. And from there, we're going to connect the PCs to our 1841 router. And those should be straight through connectors. Fast Ethernet 01. And now we've got our little network connected. So that's how you do that. I hope that's been helpful. Have a nice day.